Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sally Pacheco. I study administration. Today, I am going to share in you my experiences traveling to Brazil in South America, a different country with very nice people and also delicious food. Let's start with gastronomy. The food there is incredible, and I could easily see some similarity with Peru. A dish I enjoyed in Brazil was the famous barbecue. These are different from Peruvian, what because they are often cooked over good, giving the meat a smoking flavor. We could compare it to lomo saltado from Peru, but here we mix the meat with vegetable like onion and tomatoes. Brazil has also a very large Italian community, and pizza is a big part of their culture. At the hotel was a big pizza buffet with a count of toppings. Now let's talk about beaches. Both Brazil and Peru are known for their stunning coastlines, but in Brazil they are warmer and more tropical. I visit places like Copacabana in Rio de Janeiro, and I have to say it. The sun was soft and the water warm, which was a nice contrast to the cooler and rougher season Peru coast. When it comes to language, Brazil and Peru have a major difference. Brazil speaks Portuguese and Peru speaks Spanish. This was one of the biggest challenges for me when I was in Brazil. However, I did notice that for language share many similar words because they have Latin roots. This made it easier for my guess the meaning of words like playa for beach or restaurante for restaurant. Now, I want to share some tips for anyone planning to visit Brazil. First, learn a few basic phrases in Portuguese. Another tip is to stay safe, especially in crowded tourist areas. It's important to keep an eye on your belongings and about walking alone at a night. Also wear as much sunscreen as you can if you go on hot seasons. The respect to other cultures is essential. Brazil, like in Peru, has a very diverse population with people from different religion and tradition, just like in Peru, where we have a mix of Spanish, African, and Afro influences. With important to respect them anywhere. Now I'm going to make questions. Number one. We did I visit Brazil? I visited Brazil because the Cristo Redentor is a wonder of the world. Question 2. What did I like the most? The beautiful landscapes, the island, and also the pan de azúcar. Question 3. Which food I prefer, Peru or Brazil? Prefer the food from Peru because of the variety and flavor. Question 4. Did I have a good communication with the people there? Yes, because a lot of Brazilian people knew how to speak Spanish. Question 5. Would I come back? Yes, of course, because the tour guide site Brazil has 365 islands and I would love to visit a lot of them. Thank you so much. So, in conclusion, my trip to Brazil was an unforgettable experience. Although Brazil and Peru are different in many ways, both countries share a deep respect of for their tradition, a love for great food, and a strong connection to nature. Yeah. Thank you for your attention.